What's up guys, welcome back to YRN Modelcars and welcome back to another video. And today I actually want to do a quick tutorial on how you can make your own custom license plates for your 1/18 scale model cars. So if you take a look here at mine, we actually have my GT Alto Bugatti Chiron. We've got a tiny plate over there. Also my MiniChamps Ferrari Super Sport. Actually turned around the P1 here. You can see there I've got it on the P1 as well, which is actually a regular size plate. 675 LT as well. GT2 YRN. Yeah, basically almost all my models have custom license plates. So today I will show you how you can make one for your own model cars. So first of all, before we start, I quickly want to mention the things that you will need to do this. So first of all, you will need your laptop or PC or just a desktop. You will need to have Microsoft Word on it as well, which you will probably have. I mean, everybody has that, right? And you will also need a printer to print your license plates out. So you can just use a regular A4 printer. I mean, it doesn't have to be a fancy one. I mean, I myself I actually got a really old one, but it works perfectly fine. So yeah, just make sure that you have that. So yeah, that's basically everything you need to make the plates. So let's go to the desktop and I'll show you the exact steps on how to get your license plates onto your model cars. So right now I'm on my laptop. So first of all, I want to explain quickly how I'm gonna do this. So I use a couple of websites here on which I can make the custom plates and the custom characters. I then the images that I get from these websites I then will copy paste into the Word document here, and then I'll print this out. So actually, as far as the paper that you will need for this, it's ideal if you could use some paper with adhesive backing. So that's paper with, so it's like basically an A4 sticker paper. Doesn't have to be shiny, or it can just be normal paper. But the ones that I use is actually photo paper with adhesive backing, so it's actually very nice and shiny, which obviously looks much better on the models rather than using normal paper. So okay, so first of all, let's go to this website. So I'll leave all the links in the description. This is licenseplates.tv. So over here, if you go to license plates, you can actually select which country plate you want. So let's just say European. Let's just pick a random one. Okay, Latvia. So as you can see here, you got all these plates. Let's just click the top one. And then over here you can type your custom characters. Let's just do something random. Like that. We can then go into here and then copy the image, paste it into our Word document. Now for this particular website, the images are actually not the size of the plate itself, so you will need to crop this. I actually do this manually. I mean, there are probably some handy tools for it, but I'm not that skilled, so I'll just do it like this. Okay, so now we have our plate. Now we need to get it the correct size, because obviously this is way too big when you print it out. So you want to go into size and position, make sure that lock aspect ratio is set, because otherwise it will be a very weird shape. So depending on the model that you have, you probably will need different sizes of plates. Normal size plates are 2.9 centimeters for 118 models. But yeah, on each model it varies. There's so many different models and model car manufacturers. Let's just say 2.9. Okay, so there we go. There we have it. Now what I then always do is I copy pasted the image so that I actually have it twice, because when I'm going to apply these plates I often make mistakes. So I always make sure that I have 2 of them onto my paper. So yeah, that's basically how you do it for this. For these, you can see here we've got all these countries that you can choose from. So yeah, there's a lot to choose from. Now for UK plates, if we go into Great Britain here, you can see here that they actually, and they have quite a lot, but for the normal UK plates, they all come with the GB on the side. Now in the UK, you can also get this without the GB, and on licenseplates.tv they don't have that. So what I then use is actually this website, legalshowplates.com. So in here you can insert your custom characters. So let's say for my P1, there we go, and then you can just copy this image into our Word document. Now this one you don't have to crop because it's already the image is already the size of the plate. So you only have to put it at the right size, like that. Let's say we want the front one as well. Now for the front, as you can see, the plate itself is actually all white, just like the paper. So when you're going to print it out, you won't be able to see the edges. So go to format picture, then go to align, solid line. Just do it in black, so a little bit better to see. So as you can see, now we have the border. So now when we're going to cut it out of the paper, when we print it out, we can actually see what we're doing. So this is basically it for the plates. Now, if we go to USA plates, let's just say California. As you can see here, they don't actually have the plates that they use in California. I mean, these are all EU size plates. So for American plates, actually use this website, acme.com/license maker. Here you can insert your custom characters. Let's say Enzo for my Ferrari, Enzo. You can here choose the state. So let's just set it to California. You can then choose the year of the plate. Let's just say 1963 style, because we can. There we go. Looks like that. If you want the latest one, latest version, that is. There we have it. So we can copy the image, go into a Word document again. Boom. This one you also don't have to crop because it's already the right size. There we go. Just like that. So when you print these out, as I said, you want it to be double so that you have a backup. So yeah, this is basically it. So yeah, right now if you're done with all your plates, you can go to your printer and print it out. So I'll print this out. Actually I have a different document for this. I'll print it out and now we'll take a look at the results. Okay, so here I've got it printed out. So you can see here I've got it printed out on this glossy photo paper. So you can see that the gloss is really quite shiny. And it is actually a yeah, as I said, it has a self-adhesive backing, so it's like basically a giant A4 sticker paper, but glossy photo paper. So that's really good. So right now I can just cut each plate out using just some scissors. Be very precise with that, and yeah, then I can just apply it onto the models. It's really that simple. So yeah, I wish you good luck with your license plates. I hope this video helped you, making some of your models a bit more unique and a bit more personal. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you managed to do it, and yeah, I would love to see your results. So subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram also, link down below. You can see all my model cars with their license plate, of course. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.